Fish tacos recipe. Chat-gapped. Chat-gapped. Fish tacos are a delightful and flavorful dish. Here's a simple recipe for making fish tacos. Ingredients. For fish, 1 pound white fish fillets such as cod or tilapia, a ½ cup all-purpose flour, a ½ cup cornmeal, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, a ½ teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, vegetable oil for frying. For Slaw, 2 cups shredded cabbage green or purple, a ¼ cup chopped fresh cilantro, a ¼ cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. For assembly, corner, flour tortillas. Sliced radishes optional. Sliced avocado or guacamole. Lime wedges for serving. Instructions: prepare the fish in a shallow dish. Mix together the flour, cornmeal, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Cut the fish into small, taco-sized pieces. Dredge the fish pieces in the flour mixture, ensuring they are evenly coated. Fry fish. Heat vegetable oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Fry the fish pieces until they are golden brown and cooked through, about 3–4 minutes per side. Place them on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Prepare Slaw in a bowl. Combine shredded cabbage, chopped cilantro, mayonnaise, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Toss until the slaw is well coated. Warm tortillas. Heat tortillas in a dry skillet or microwave until they are warm and pliable. Assemble the tacos. Place a spoonful of the slaw on each tortilla. Top with the fried fish pieces. Add sliced radishes and avocado slices or guacamole. Serve. Serve fish tacos with lime wedges on the side. Feel free to customize your fish tacos with additional toppings like salsa, sour cream, or hot sauce. These tacos are not only delicious, but also versatile, allowing you to tailor them to your taste preferences. Enjoy your homemade fish tacos.